Good morning, guys. Today is vlog 6 in the San Francisco vlog series. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. It's June 24th, and I just stepped outside. Look at this. We got 3 deer. Look at that. Me and the deers. The fit for today, we got the wrinkled champion shirt, the North Face beanie. Shout out to the O'Fallon Shivers for both of these gifts. Got them for Christmas. Really nice. I look drippy. But anyways, the plan for today is we're just gonna go around here exploring different trails and seeing new things. Dad is off today, so we're gonna make the best of it. He has to work the next 4 days. So we're gonna try to get as much done today as possible before he has to work all those following days. So we have this really cool view in our backyard. And unfortunately, in San Francisco, there's a thing called June gloom. And June gloom is where fog overrolls the city and the Golden Gate Bridge in the month of June and early July. And it really makes everything gloomy. That's why they call it June gloom. So right now we're in the middle of June gloom. Hopefully it goes away mid-July, near the end of my trip. And we'll get to see some cool sights. But for right now, it's gloomy and foggy, which is no problem to me. We're still gonna go hiking. So we drove 1.5 miles from our house and we made it to a lookout point with benches and a parking lot. But when you look out, you can see nothing because of the fog. Pretty sure over there would be the San Francisco Golden Gate Bridge. But with all this fog, you can't even see in front of you. June gloom, baby. Rocking the Texas beanie. I got the North Face beanie. We made it to our first hike of the day. Black Sands Beach.
So across the water is the city of San Francisco, and
well, actually over there.
Yeah,
it's beautiful.
Different angle.
Beautiful, guys. We're not in Texas anymore. We're in California.
So I read that this Black Sands beach is kind of where nudity is allowed. So during the warm summer months, if you come down here, there's going to be some nude people.
Nude people, guys. You heard it here first.
Usually during the months of August, September, October.
So maybe no nude people today.
Let's hope not.
We see the beach with the black sand. Dad, look and wave.
Hey guys, we're at Black Sands Beach, San Francisco, California. The actual address on this side might be Sausalito, California.
So we made it to Black Beach, guys. The water's behind me, San Francisco in the background, and it's black rocks. It's not really even sand, because the rocks are not as fine. They have pretty cool rocks here. I found this one when it washed up on the shore. Really neat white and black rock. I might take it back for a souvenir. I think we found some jellyfish. Thankfully, I wasn't barefoot. I would have stepped on those easily. We found this little cave area. It's pretty neat to see how the rocks have formed over the years. They look like they formed in layers. We have reached our second hike point. We're here at Rodeo Beach. In front of me, we're gonna hike this little hill over here. There should be a few trails in there. They might extend through the hills, through the mountains, but we shall see. It's official. We're gonna do the Muir Beach Trail, 5.5 miles out, 5.5 miles back, total of 11 miles. Dad is backpacked up, got his hiking shoes on. I got my running shoes, hopefully they last. But we are ready to go. Got my Garmin ready. We're starting at Rodeo Beach behind us. Let's go. We don't know exactly where the trail is, but we think it's over there by those mountains. Update, we are closer to the mountain where we're gonna be going up. There's a beach down there. We're currently going downhill from this little mountain that we climbed. Rocks are kind of slick here, slippery. We just ascended this big mountain behind us. Probably doesn't look that big in the GoPro because this hill is kind of covering it, but it was really steep, and especially in my running shoes, it was kind of hard. But we've made it to the beach, the unknown, unnamed beach for now because we don't know the name of it. What it looks like, we're gonna be going up that mountain. Somewhere in there we're gonna be going up. I just wish I wore my hiking boots. That would have helped a lot going down these mountains. Any thoughts?
Yeah, it's fun. I like to hike. This is our third day in California. We've already covered a lot of California Bay Area, both on the San Francisco side and this side.
We're hiking along the trail, 4.1 miles in. Good hike so far, good views. Just a little inclines. They hurt a little bit, but we'll make it through. We'll make it through. So this is what we hiked today
Or they might do
so
the loop.
far. We started at Rodeo Beach, went down to Tennessee Beach, hiked through this wildlife area or vegetation area to probably around right here, and then past Pirates Cove, through the Coastal Trail. Now we're right here. All we have is a little bit to get to Muir Beach.
Okay. Oh, no, actually we're wrong. We started way down here.
Oh yeah.
We came down here on the ridge,
Yeah,
down
we
to
went
the beach.
from the ridge to Tennessee Beach.
And then we got here.
Oh yeah, that's right. We made it to the beach, guys, as you can see in the background. 5 miles of walking on trails, incline, decline. We made it. We're not gonna go down to the beach because that's just gonna be extra hiking down then back up. We can see the beach just fine, but overall really good hike. Now we have to go back. The champion shirt is holding up strong, guys. Another shout out to the O'Fallon drivers, Ben, Jack, Uncle Curtis, and Aunt Resme. Thank you guys so much for the shirt. It's really nice, I appreciate it. It's 3:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and the fog is rolling in. When we came on this trail the first time, you could see the ocean all the way down there, but now fog has taken over. June gloom is hitting at its hardest right now, and you can't see anything. Doing a little bit of running downhill. It's a little bit easier when you're running downhill than just walking. Puts less pressure on your knees. Officially 9.5 miles into the hike. Dad's getting a little tired behind me. Made me carry the backpack. We officially just finished the hike. We hiked 11.15 miles in 4 hours and 16 minutes. We finished back at Rodeo Beach. Overall, a really good hike. I'll probably post the Garmin stats, but for right now, we're just chilling on the beach. I'm thirsty. I'll probably go back to the car and chug a water bottle. And when we get back to the home that we're staying at, I think I'll make my bowl of oatmeal, and show you guys my secret recipe that you've been requesting. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. We made it back to the house, and unfortunately, guys, I had a peanut butter banana smoothie, so I'm really full from that, so I will not be making my oatmeal this episode, but I promise the next episode I will do it first thing in the morning, and you guys will see my infamous oatmeal recipe. So stay tuned and watch the next episode. But with that being said, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Bye.